Hey y'all, so I said I wasn't going to give y'all a Starbucks scene because we always get a Starbucks scene. However, I decided to try a different drink today from Starbucks. It's one of their Christmas drinks because I know eventually I have to give up pumpkin spice and I have to give up the cold drinks because it's going to get colder, and I always get my drinks iced at Starbucks. I've never is a stretch. I can count on one hand how many times I have gotten like hot drink from Starbucks. So I decided to try the caramel brulee latte. I got it in a short because I just wanted to try it. I don't know if it's going to be good. I asked the barista and she was like, you know, her coworkers like it. She has never tried it, but her coworkers like it. They just put half of the amount of syrup in it because it's too sweet. I was like, definitely do that because I don't like when my drink is like too sweet. So we're gonna try it. It's kind of hot. I'm low-key scared of like burning my tongue, but it's pretty good. I would give it like a 7 out of 10. It's my first Christmas cup of the season, even though we've been here for a while. But yeah, it's time for work. We're early today. It feels so good. I need to start waking up earlier. Usually I'm in a rush, like let me rush to Starbucks, let me rush here, let me rush there. But not today. I even saw one of my coworkers. I said, whoa, I don't like seeing y'all out. But anyway, I'm about to drive, jam to some music. Did y'all ever answer the question that Coffee asked? Like, where did y'all go post-quarantine after lockdown? Let me know in the comments because I'm just really thinking about it now. Like, we were really like, where are we gonna go after this quarantine is over? Like, after lockdown is over, where are we going? Like, and now that we're outside, where was the first place that I went? I definitely went to Jamaica. I was outside in Jamaica, okay? No questions asked. I was there as soon as they opened up Jamaica. I was there. I booked my ticket and I was like, we're outside. And yeah, that's where I went. Let me know where did y'all go in the comments, because this song had us in a choke hold.
Yeah, go put your on lockdown. If you love me, you should let me. You should let me. And gratitude is a must. Yeah, miss the blessings fall by my right. I know when I do it for the likes, come tell them I do it for the love. When I do it for the likes. Today my rise at the sunrise, my right and my upright. No one can stop my vibes. Look in the mirror and say, what's this? Looks like something I go wrong. Love's contagious.
I gotta play it. It's early, but I gotta play it. So I'm home. I took a little nap and everything, and now I'm back. I want to refresh my flowers. They're a little late. You should refresh them every other day. It's been a few days. This is what they're looking like. They're a little like, you know, I'm gonna try and revive them and see what I can do. Look at the water. The water is a little cloudy now, so it's definitely time to change it. So let's go. Hey y'all, what's up? Good morning. So today, well this morning, I have a little bit of errands to run. I need to go to the bank. I have an appointment at the bank today, and it worked out perfectly because I also need a new bank card because I misplaced mine. I thought it would just show up like throughout the week, but it did not. So I need to go find. I need a new bank card today. I just got a new bank card last week because it was compromised, and there were all these like stuff going on with my account. Like people try to just like take money out of my account, so I had to shut that card down. Got a new card last week, and now I can't find it. So I need to go get a new one alongside my appointment at the bank. So that's gonna be the first stop that I make today. I also need to just go on a road to grab some stuff for Kai and also my grandparents. I think I'm gonna bring my grandmom with me to the produce junction. We go like once a week to just get like fresh produce and everything like that. And then I also want to try and get my hair washed today and blow dried and straightened. I don't know if I'm feeling a straightened or a curled look today. We're gonna see. I need to call to see if they have an appointment. But yeah, let me give y'all a little quick OOTD. Ever seen a TikTok where it's like once you start wearing Crocs you can never like stop? So I just had the dilemma. I'm like, do I put shoes on, like real shoes on, or do I put my Crocs on? And the Crocs won. Yeah, this is the outfit. Your girl needs to get to the gym, okay? I stepped on a scale this week, and yeah, it's time. So we also are gonna go grocery shopping today because I need to get some foods so that I can, you know, make healthier choices. So yeah, that's the plan for today. Hopefully everything gets executed. So yeah, let's go on the road. I left my AirPods in the house and I low-key feel like turning around, but I have an appointment so I cannot, and I need to prioritize Starbucks. I think I'm gonna come home after the bank so I can grab them because I don't like running errands without my AirPods. Like, that is my moment. Like, I love running errands. I don't have that much errands, and I feel like I'm that person that's like, why everybody always got errands and I don't feel like I don't have any? Like, I don't know, like I do all my shoppings online, I pay all my bills online, like everything for me is just electronic. So yeah, I never have much errands to do. I mean, now that I have Kai, I low-key do, but even then I buy his stuff online. But now, I don't know, becoming a mom, and this was prior to becoming a mom. Now that I'm a mom, I prioritize like my me time, and I prioritize like, you know, just spending time by myself because you don't get that a lot. Yeah, just spending time by myself because you really don't get that a lot. So like, I wasn't one to like go to the store and really browse, or like, oh, I just love going to the store to walk around. Now I love it. Like, I can go to Target daily and if that Target by me is not suiting me, I will take that drive to another Target to get, because the Target by me is like the mini Target, and the one furthest from me is like the super Target with everything. So I will take that drive. I just love to do this stuff now. I don't know. And I'm enjoying it. I know it's probably just going to be a phase, but I'm enjoying it. I love it. I just love being out. And it could also be because it's like the Christmas season as well too, because yeah, I love that too. My original plan was to go earlier and go to Target first and then just wait till my appointment, because they're like right next door to each other, and then head to my bank appointment. But that's not gonna happen because it's about 20 minutes before my appointment, and it's probably gonna take me a good 10 minutes to get down there, so I'll probably go afterwards. But I need my AirPods. I need to set the scene. I need to get my music going. I need to just oh my god. I know how you like to like go about your thing. Are you like online person? If you are like an outside person, what's your vibe? Like, set the scene for me in the comment section, because me, and it depends on what music, like, you know, what feels I'm on for that day, because some days I'm rah and some days I just need some smooth music to like calm me, and I'm just browsing and I look at every single aisle. Like, I be going through the pet aisle and I don't got a pet. It's just the feeling. Oh, and I like to do it by myself. I don't like to go to the store with nobody else. I mean, I'll go to the store with people, but like if I'm like, oh, I feel like go browsing today, I don't want anyone to come with me, because I don't want nobody to tell me that they're ready to go. I don't want nobody calling me like, what are you in? Where you at? No, this is my moment, uninterrupted. This is my time. My phone is on do not disturb. I mean, I don't get no calls anyway. Honestly, guys, my phone is so dry. Like, my mom is the only one that calls me the most. Sweets call me, but not really. Like, it's more texting, and even then, we don't even text that much. And then who else? Shop barely call me unless he needs something. And my grandparents don't really call me. Like, if I'm on the road and I'm running to go grab something and they need me to grab something, they'll call me or something. But like, other than that, I'll be on the phone. Yo, I got a new camera, and one thing I dislike about this camera is it'll just time out on me. Like, if I'm recording for a long time, and I need to go into settings to see if that's something that I can change, because I'll be recording, and then I look at the camera and it stopped recording. Like, I don't know how long ago. Like, in the previous clip, I was talking, and I don't know where it stopped recording because I'm trying to focus on the road. So yeah, if it seems choppy, that's why. What type of mood am I in? Oh yes, this mood, yes. Let me tell y'all what happened to me yesterday. So I came to Starbucks and I ordered. My order came up to like $20-something. Like, cool. So I went around the the part where you pay, and it was one of my old students, and I now teach her brother. She was like, "Oh, it's you?" She was like, because she was like, no, she didn't know who it was. She was like, "Your total is 20, whatever." And then she looked. She was like, "Oh, it's you?" And she was like, "Hold on." And she was like, "Boom, boom, 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 boom." I was like, "All right, girl, go ahead, do your thing." She was like, "Your total is 3-something." I said, "Don't mind if I do, baby girl. Why am I waiting and this is not a parking spot?" I'm over these people that want to park illegally. Like, that don't even make sense. I'm going to go to my appointment. I'm going to just go. Yeah, but she only made me pay $3 and some cents. I said, yes. And I like I was saying, I taught her in the past. She still attends the school that I work at, and now I teach her little brother. She was like, "This is for dealing with my little brother because I know he's a handful." So yeah, Starbucks on her, period. Big discounts. We love that. Just go there. Beautiful summers calling. And if it's too late, no, I'm a selfish bitch, but I want you to know I've been working on it. Hey guys. Can y'all see me? No, the lighting is shitty. Un momento. This will be better. There we go. Hey y'all, don't tell me to put my seatbelt on because Target is literally right there. So don't start. I just got done with the bank. That took about an hour. It was a really good meeting though. I almost canceled. But it was a really good meeting. Now I'm going to Target. Target is low-key packed. I can tell just by the parking lot. So I feel like I don't want to go walk anymore. I feel like I just want to go grab coffee and like go back home. Alright, so I'm gonna run into Target real quick and I'm gonna grab Starbucks because I didn't get to get it prior to my appointment. I need to buy a chapstick because my lip gloss just be coming on so easily. I just feel like I need some chapstick. Alright, to Target we go. And I might walk around. I'm just talking about I won't walk around. We just might. So let's go to Target, y'all. It is hours later. As you can see, I did go ahead and got my hair washed and blow dried and straightened a little bit. So I'm just winding down right now. So I decided to wind down with y'all and just give y'all an update on what really transpired today. So after I got off the road, I came home and my hair appointment wasn't until like 5:30. So I slept for about 2 hours. Then I got up and I went to my appointment. And then I left and went to Old Navy because Kai needs some like clothes. So I went and got him some onesie. He needs like onesies. Like I feel like his clothes are getting tight now. And I was so used to him just like being in smaller sizes, but now you could definitely see that he needs clothes and stuff. So I went to Old Navy and I got him a bunch of onesies from their $5 section because it's just stuff they need for the house. He needs for the house. And I also got him like something else too, like if we're going anywhere out, he can wear it as well. Yeah, so after I left Old Navy, what did I do after that? Oh, we were just chilling and we just went to Ross. And I forgot, I didn't bring my purse. And my camera was in my purse. So I wanted to bring y'all, but I couldn't. So here we are. So I'm going to just wind down. It's going to be a short little vloggy vlog, but I'm going to just wind down with y'all. I'm getting ready to take a shower. I don't know how to wrap my hair. Usually, I just let it do what it do. Because look at this, falling. And I know I'm supposed to like use pins, but I don't have the big bobby pins to like pin it up. It's just gonna fall. As long as I could get to put, as long as I can put the head tie over my head, I'm fine. Like I'll just pin it randomly. It'll be alright. My mom usually do it for me, but she's not here right now, and I'm ready to wind down and just like call it a night, bro. So the goal was to do a wind down with y'all tonight, just to finish off today's vlog. It's probably just gonna be short. I did pick up some skincare stuff from Ross. I want to show y'all really quickly. So I got these razors. They're for dermaplaning your skin, like you know how you use your shave. I usually use the hair store razors to just shave my face, but I saw these and these are like these are exactly for that. So I got these. So these get rid of, like it says, removes facial peach fuzz and dead skin for a brighter, smoother complexion. So if you aren't new, you know that I shave my face. I always get the question, do my hair grow back thicker? No. The answer is no for that. So I do it. I don't do it that frequently. I probably do it like once every 3 months. But I might start doing it once a month just because I like how it gives my skin like a glow. Because a lot of times your skin look dark because you have like dead skin on there, and also hairs, like small hairs that you can't like really see, but it just makes your skin look dark. But once you get rid of it, you'll see like your complexion gets brighter. So I got 6 of these from Ross. They were $4.99. Ross had a lot of things out: skincare, body care, hair care, makeup, everything out. So I was just browsing through that area to see what I could pick up, because they have really good steals. Ross, TJ Maxx, Marshalls, all those little areas, they have like good steals for, especially this time of year, for skincare and stuff like that. So I would definitely suggest go check them out. I also got these exfoliating washcloths. I always get these. These are what I take my showers with. They're supposed to be like the dupes for the African washcloth. I really wish I could get my hands on like the authentic African washcloth, but I don't know where to get them. I looked on Amazon, I didn't see them either. So if you know anywhere that I can get like authentic African washcloth, please let me know, because these have the material of loofers, and I know, you know, loofers traps bacteria and stuff like that, so it's not good. So I always buy these so I can swap them out, so I'm not using them for like a long time or whatever. So it's 2 in a pack and I just swap them out. And then the last thing I got are these masks. They're the hyaluronic acid facial sheet mask. You buy 5 and you get 2 free in a pack. These were $5. So I just decided to pick them up to try it. I know hyaluronic acid is good for your skin. These are the tonifying ones, so again, it helps with what I'm trying to achieve for my skin at the moment, just that brighter glow and like even skin tone, and trying to get rid of these dark marks. So that's all I got from Ross. The goal was to try these out tonight and use my blackhead remover, but it's dead. Y'all, it's dead. Look, you see, it's dead. So it's gonna take a minute to charge, so because I really want to like do a deep cleanse tonight. So I'm just gonna put it to charge tonight, and then in the morning we're gonna like test these out. So I'm just gonna take a shower and call it a night. Probably pour me some wine and just like wind down a little bit. I'm feeling a little anxious. So I just need to like relax a little bit and just, you know, probably go journal or something. So I'll catch y'all later. So my hair is out the way. The first thing I'm gonna do is cleanse my face. I'm using my Urban Skin RX. I'm gonna just give it a nice little rub. The key to whenever you're about to shave your face is just to make sure that your face is clean.
Done, at work, come over. We just need to slow the motion. Don't get out of way to no one. Long distance, I need you. When I see potential, I just gotta see it through. If you had a twin, I would still choose you. I don't wanna rush into it if it's too soon, but I know you need to get done if you come over.
I don't always do this extreme of a, like, you know, a wind down. It's just because my skin needs it. And I'm trying to stay consistent with my skin routine and everything like that. But some night it just looked like me just taking a shower, you know, brushing my teeth, wash my face, and just go lay down. Some nights it's me watching TV if I feel like it. And I always fall asleep. Some nights it's just me scrolling Tik Tok, Instagram, and stuff like that till I doze off, or, you know, talking until I doze off and stuff like that. So let me know what your wind down routine looks like. Hey y'all, so I had to finish up my skincare because off camera because my camera died and I was just already in the bathroom and everything. So I'm out. That hyaluronic acid mask is really good. I really like it. I have 6 more in a pack because 7 came in a pack. So I feel like I'm gonna go back to Ross to try to find some more of that, or look on Amazon, because I really do like how it makes my skin feel. I'm going downstairs right now to pour me some more wine and just call it a night. It's not even 9 o'clock yet, but I want to just, like, you know, go to bed at a reasonable time so I'm not tired in the morning. So yeah, this vlog may be a bit short and, like, you know, not really, you know, but not every day is going to be content heavy. I just want to vlog and be consistent and keep up. So yeah, not every day is going to be like a long drawn out vlog. Some vlog will be very concise and straight to the point. So yeah, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see y'all in the next video. Bye guys, good night.